Hey, what's up guys? I'm back for another live trade. Today is interesting. There's a lot going on in the financial world. Yesterday we had a lot happen. Actually had a good trade when the Fed spoke. The market reacted really well and it kind of drove the stock market up, and I caught a little bit of it. But we had Biden speak last night, and I was I was watching the market to see if there was a trade opportunity while he was speaking. I know he's implementing a lot of new policies, and to implement those policies, he has to raise taxes on the 1% and the corporations. And usually the stock market doesn't like to hear that because that's not good for business. So a lot of times when he first says it in a speech, you can see the stock market go down, and we like to kind of watch to see if we can short it. That didn't happen. We're waiting to see if it was going to happen. It didn't. The market ran relatively flat. It was going up a little bit, but just kind of ran flat and flat overnight. And then today we had unemployment at a high, but we also had GDP numbers good. So it's completely mixed. So I'm not exactly sure what to expect today, but I suspect it's going to be bearish because we are running high. Taxes are going up. Unemployment is high. So I'm still a little bearish on it. But then again, earning reports from Apple and a lot of other companies are doing really well. So it's going to be an interesting day. I think there's going to be a tug of war between the Bears and the Bulls. So we'll see what happens. All right. We're like a minute into the market open and it's already pumping. Sorry, I'm running late today. But it's getting pretty close to 33,400. We're going to see how it reacts. But it's looking bullish, and I think it's because GDP numbers are looking good. But we're going to have some patience and make sure first, because it's kind of a mixed market today. There's a lot going on. We had the tech sector of a bunch of tech companies, Apple and a few others, just smashed earning reports, so that always helps. But we had unemployment high too, so everything's kind of mixed right now. So let's see what it wants to do. It could honestly go either way. I was actually a little bearish going in, but we're going to wait and find out. Oh wow, that's coming off. It went right down past 33,900. And I may have been right. This was looking very bearish. If we can get some momentum here, I'm going to jump in, but I need to see more momentum than that. Got below 33,850 and then just came right back up. So I don't know if it's getting rejected or if it's going to continue down. That's a pretty critical line though. It's just flirting with 33,850. And I think we're coming off now. Yep. I'm getting in. Oh, that was they gave me a bad spread on that one. That's okay. I'm not too worried about it. We're gonna wait a little bit. I'm actually pretty confident in this direction, so I'm gonna have some patience. It's got a lot of resistance lines to get below too, so I think it's gonna just take some time, but it's gonna work its way down there. so close. So is it? There we go. And we're finally seeing some green for a second. Takes a lot of patience sometimes. There we go. There we go. Finally in the green. Getting up close to 100. Come on. Seeing some resistance to 33,820, so I'm gonna watch that really closely. I don't want to wait too much longer. There we go. There's 100. Come on down. A lot of resistance right there, so. I'm gonna take this soon if it doesn't start trying. It's taking too long. Come on. Come on. I'm taking this. I lost $10. But it's not worth it. I don't want to risk any more of my capital. It may play out, but it just looks like it's gonna reverse here. And I got a bad spread. I tried to get in, and right when I clicked sell, the market dropped before my order went through. So it literally, I lost $40 in the time where I clicked sell and the time the order went through. So that was just off to a bad start right away. And then, yeah, it's all right. It's a mixed market right now. And I'm glad I got out because it looks like we might see a reversal. And I'm actually going to watch it for a second because I'm not at I'm only down $10, which is not a big deal at all. And so if we can see a re-entry somewhere, I'll take it. But if not, I'd rather protect my capital and walk away with losing $10 than be greedy and overtrade and walk away with a $1,000 loss. So yeah, it just didn't want to go. We have unemployment's high, GDP's good. There's a massive shortage in semiconductors in the tech side, and that's causing some uncertainty. But earning reports for everybody are just smashing it. So it's like the market's so mixed. You just like got bears and bulls just playing tug of war right now.
I can tell you were nervous because you were talking really quiet.
Because when trades, in my experience, when trades go against you that long, they continue to go against you. All right, I'm gonna jump in here for the reversal because I think we're headed back up. I think it can. Let's watch price action for a second. But I love that it's back above 33,850, and it's about to get above this candle here, and that's a really good sign. So I might jump in on this. Let's see though. Give me a little pullback. Retest 33,850. It's retesting. Let's see how it handles it. And it looks like it might continue up. I'm jumping in here long. I think this is gonna reverse. Got my money back at least for now. Come on. 33,860 is making me a little nervous, but let's see if we can get through. Come on. I actually like this one. I feel a lot more comfortable now than I did before. So.
Why would you say you feel more comfortable now?
I really like this candle, and we're been playing with 33,850 and continuing up. I like that we're above this candle here. I would like to see us get above this wick, but I want to get above 33,860. But I like the way this is going. The candle's moving bullishly. It's 2 steps up, 1 step back, and we've just made a new high for that candle, and it's kind of pumping. So I like this a lot better. I'm a little worried about 33,870. There's some resistance here, but we're gonna watch it and see where it wants to go. And even if it's a small win, hey. It's not how you want these trades to play out. You want to go get in and get out quickly and not have to wait for it to develop. But we know when to take our loss, we know when to take our profits, and we're just waiting for that moment.
Much later.
Can't stay in too much longer if it keeps getting rejected. Just over and over and over. Come on, let's go. This is just not. There's no way to predict this. I'm out. $70 loss today. $70 is. I'm not going to be stubborn. I'm not going to wait until I'm right, and it might keep going up. And sure enough, there it goes. But I can't risk my capital to wait to be right. You know, I've kind of learned in the past that, you know, sometimes that plays out, but if you wait too long, you end up you lose more than you win. So you got to cut your losers short and let your winners run. Alright guys, I kind of want to go over today. It's my first loss on YouTube, and you know, I have them. I have losses, you know, every other week, sometimes every week, and it's part of the game here. So the key is you just want to keep your losses low. So we're trying to just consistently have wins, and then if we do have a loss, it's not a big loss. It's really easy to wait to be right and blow your capital, or continue to overtrade until your losses are 3 or 4 times what your wins are. And when I was first starting out in the past, I would set myself a month back. I would have steady wins for 2 weeks, and then I would have a loss that wiped away a month's worth of capital. And I had to learn the hard way, and I think most people do. You know, you want to keep trading, you want to revenge trade, and you want to come back and get your money back, but you have to kind of sit on your hands and go, all right, that's lost. The market's going to be here tomorrow. There's always more opportunity. Opportunities are endless, but capital's not. You know, once you go through your capital, that's gone. So today was $70 loss. It's not a big deal. Yesterday I made around 600, and today I lost 70. So not a big deal. Not sweating it. Didn't like how the market was moving. You know, the moves were slow and indecisive. And we had 2 trades, and you know, the only reason I went back in was because I nearly broke even on the first trade. So, and it looked like we were going to see a reversal, and honestly, I look back now and I can understand why I shouldn't have went back in. I like reversals, but usually you want to see a bigger reaction first, so a bigger drop, then a reversal. That was a pretty small drop for a reversal. Yeah, so anyways, hopefully you guys learned. I'm going to be completely transparent on this channel. I will post my losses just like I post my wins, and if it's recorded, whatever happens, happens, and you'll see it. So there you have it, down $70 today. Definitely not stressing it, you know, especially after such a good day yesterday. And I'm going to keep an eye on the market and see if I have any opportunities for a swing trade or a market close trade, but there's a good chance I will just take the rest of the day off, and I'll be back here tomorrow morning, market open. So, all right, I'll see you guys next time.